This MCF file is most commonly a CEWE Photoworld Project file, or a MasterCook cookbook file. It acts as either a digital blueprint for a personalized photo book or a structured database for managing professional recipes and nutritional data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find out if we're finalizing a photo gift or organizing your kitchen library. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common MCF Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. The MCF extension is a versatile format, primarily used in creative publishing, CEWE, and culinary management, MasterCook. In the photo industry, it serves as a project container that stores the layout, text, and image positioning for custom photo books, calendars, and greeting cards. In the culinary world, it acts as a legacy cookbook database that organizes ingredients, cooking directions, and scaling information, allowing users to search and categorize thousands of recipes instantly. These files are governed by XML layout and relational database protocols. CEWE MCF files utilize an XML-based schema that maps high-resolution image paths to specific coordinates on a virtual page, ensuring that the print factory receives a pixel-perfect representation of the user's design. MasterCook MCF files follow a binary record index rule, where each recipe is assigned a unique ID to link ingredients to nutritional databases, designed for high-speed retrieval and complex filtering across massive cookbook collections. The essential opener for the MCF structure is CEWE Photoworld developed by CEWE UK. Windows cannot validate the meaning of the data, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Windows gives only a basic outline, so complete interpretation requires compatible tools. The initial test, right-click the MCF file and choose Open With. If CEWE Photoworld is installed, test that first. If it's not present, choose another program. Don't worry if it fails on the first try. When your MCF file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, identify MCF file types and origins. Distinguish the file by its folder context. If it is located in a folder with Photoworld or CEWE in the title, it is a photo book project. If it is found in a cookbooks folder or alongside a MasterCook installation, it is a recipe database. You can open a photo MCF in Notepad++. If you see clear XML tags like or, it is a design file. If the file appears as a complex binary stream with text strings for ingredients like sugar or flour, it is a MasterCook file. Next, project loading and recipe access. To open a photo book, you must use the specific CEWE branded software, like CEWE Photoboot or Aldi Print, that originally created the project. The MCF file itself does not contain the actual photos, only the links to them. For recipe files, you must import the MCF through the Cookbook Manager in MasterCook. Note that newer versions of MasterCook have transitioned to different formats, but they maintain legacy import tools to bring your old MCF data into the modern interface. Finally, fixing missing images and database errors. If a photobook project loads with red X placeholders, the MCF file is healthy, but the software cannot find your original JPEG files. You must move the photos back to their original folder path, or use the relink tool to point to their new location. For MasterCook users, if a cookbook fails to open or appears empty, the internal index is likely corrupted. Using the compact and repair utility within the software will often rebuild the binary pointers and restore access to your recipes. If the MCF compatibility attempts failed, the problem is usually that the extension name is being used by a program you don't have installed yet. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn MCF formats. Time for the guaranteed solution, File Magic. It handles any MCF format you throw at it, available now at filemagic.com. That was the most time-saving solution. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.